Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا بِاللَّهِ وَاعْتَصَمُوا بِهِ فَسَيُدْخِلُهُمْ فِي رَحْمَةٍ مِّنْهُ وَفَضْلٍ وَيَهْدِيهِمْ إِلَيْهِ صِرَاطًا مُسْتَقِيمًا. Translation: So those who believe in Allah and hold fast unto Him, He will admit them into His mercy and His grace and will guide them unto Himself by a right way. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala addressed all mankind and told all human beings that there has been a conclusive proof revealed from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have sent down to mankind a beacon of light, meaning the Quran and the guidance that was brought by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning those people who among all humanity believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and who hold unto Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His commandment by the way of Quran and Sunnah, and those fortunate people will be admitted into the Jannah by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's fazl, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will guide these fortunate people towards the right way, towards the straight path, and they will continue moving towards the paradise, and they will end up in the paradise. And those unfortunate people who will not listen to the guidance that is sent to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who would not like to get the light that was sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and who are arrogant, those people will be sent away from the straight path and they will end up in the hellfire. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, and oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, admit all of us in your mercy and give us your grace, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, please guide us toward the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.